Just over a year ago, Hyundai launched the third generation of the i10 for the Indian market. It's now called the Grand i10 Neos, and since the launch last year, we've reviewed both the petrol and diesel powered models, links to which you can find in the description below. Well, here we are back again with the Grand i10 Neos, and this time there's one with a turbo petrol engine, and today we will drive it to tell you what it's all about. Before we begin, just a little reminder, if you enjoy the content that you see here, do like, share and subscribe to Carvale's YouTube channel. Also, leave your comments below. On the face of things, this turbo petrol variant looks no different from the rest of the cars in the range. However, look closer and you'll notice that Hyundai has added a few special details to help it stand out. Topping that list is this color scheme that Hyundai has dubbed Fiery Red, and it is unique to the turbo variant. The Fiery Red has been combined with black roof and blacked out ORVMs for some extra pizzazz. Finally, you also get these cool looking turbo badges in the front and rear. This car is based on the sports variant of the Grand i10 Neos, and so you get 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, projector headlamps and fog lamps, as well as some sleek looking boomerang shaped LED DRLs. Hyundai's special shot has always been its offerings in the cabin, and with the Grand i10 Neos, it's hit that one cleanly past the boundary. Like the exterior, the overall design of the cabin remains unchanged, but there are little touches unique to the turbo petrol variant. The cabin's an all-black affair with red piping in the seats, and there's red inserts in the AC vents and climate control dials. As we had said before, the Neos over its predecessor has grown in size across all dimensions, creating more space inside. The plastics on all the touch surfaces is quite high quality, with the special fish skin-like pattern on the doors and dashboard adding just that little extra touch that sets the car apart. The feature list is quite comprehensive too, with this variant getting a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, climate control with rear AC vents, height adjustment for the driver's seat, semi-digital instrument cluster with MID, power mirrors and power windows. All versions of the Grand i10 Neos get dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors and seat belt pre-tensioners. Putting the turbo in Neos Turbo is a 1-litre 3-cylinder direct injection unit producing 99 bhp and 172 Nm of torque, which this car shares with the Hyundai Venue. But like the Accent Turbo, it gets a 5-speed manual instead of the 6-speed unit found in the Venue. The purpose of a small capacity turbo petrol engine is to offer good mid-range and drivability, which this GDI unit does quite well. There's a linear build-up post the 2000 RPM mark, which combined with the car's lightweight nature can propel you into 3-digit speeds quite quickly. In city driving conditions, the availability of torque low down in the range means you don't have to shift as often, making your driving experience a much easier one. Hyundai's budget cars have always placed an emphasis on comfort, and that's evident in the suspension setup. It's able to absorb most bumps and imperfections, but you get some noticeable vertical movement over the really big imperfections on the road. Steering is light and easy to use, but feels vague around the center. At 2.5 turns lock to lock, it's a breeze to make U-turns and park in tight spaces. In all, you get everything expected of a city car, but now with some extra punch thanks to that turbo petrol engine. So we've driven the Hyundai Grand i10 Neos Turbo Petrol and come away quite impressed. The 1-litre GDI turbo petrol engine offers great mid-range and drivability, which is crucial in a city car like this. It might not be the best handler in the segment, but is more than up to the task of handling our roads and highways. And what's more, in this fiery red shade that Hyundai offers, it looks quite good too. The Hyundai Grand i10 Neos Turbo Petrol is only available in the sports variant, which is priced at Rs 8.71 lakh on-road Delhi. What's more, this dual-tone version that we have driven is an additional Rs 5,300. For all the details on this car, do visit our website carvale.com.